All right, guys, we got a lot of work to do today. I'm really excited about it. So here's the situation. I don't live in Colorado anymore, but I still have a bunch of mountains to climb. So what that means for me, my dog is going crazy here. Come on, he wants to play. He knows I have this Frisbee. He wants to play with it. You want to play with the Frisbee? Come on, let's go play. Come on, let's go play. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Oh, hit the rose bush. That was such a pathetic throw. Here, let's do it again. Hang on. Wrangler. Oh, wants to go inside and get some water. Which is fine, man. We got so much gear to unpack anyways. Here you go. What you doing, Wrangler? You wanna go with me? You wanna go to Colorado with me? Yeah, you jumped up here, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah, I bet you'd go hike a 14er with me. All right, guys, so let's check out all the gear that I got for hiking the 14ers. We're gonna be out there for a month, so we're gonna need quite a bit of gear to get up all these mountains that I'm gonna be doing. I don't know exactly how many I'm gonna do. It's probably gonna be somewhere between, 10 to 50. I hope it's at least 10. I'd like to do 10 if I'm gonna drive that far, all the way to Colorado. But first and foremost, I have a tent. I'm not gonna be sleeping in it every night because I have an air mattress for the 4Runner I'll be using, but I have a tent. It's a big Agnes tent. I have 2 sleeping pads here that I use when I go backpacking. Yes, I do take 2 sleeping pads when I go backpacking because I like to be comfortable. I have a pillow that I take, a little backpacking pillow. There is this is a mummy, little cocoon, little silk liner that I use in conjunction with my down quilt, which is not here. It's at my parents' house. I'll have to go pick it up later. 2 pairs of shoes, regular shoes, hiking boots. I'll be using those. Trekking poles. I have 2 backpacks. This one is for day hiking. It's good to have that. And then I thought about taking my backpacking pack as well, because like I said, I'm probably gonna do some overnighters in the backcountry as opposed to just simply car camping and taking off from trailheads. So that's good. Good to have a couple dry bags. This is gonna be my bear bag at night. I'm debating on whether or not I should take crampons. I don't know if snowmass is going to be on my radar or not, but if it is, I'll take those crampons with me. Over here, so this little guy, I'm gonna do this whole separate video on this. It is a sleeping pad for the back of the 4Runner, which I think is pretty cool. Like I said, I'm gonna dive into this one later, but I'll be able to sleep in the back of my 4Runner at trailheads with this, so I'm pretty pumped about that. Video to come, so wait for that one. All right, so check it out. Here's the good stuff. I have a bunch of food. I have, let's see, essentially I have 24, so this is 24 servings, but it's 12 packs in here, 12 packs in here, so I have 24 dehydrated meals ready to go, which is gonna be awesome. It's about 20,000 calories of food, plus a few on top left over from past trips. I'm probably also gonna be getting some steak while I'm out there, eggs, raw milk if I can find it somewhere. I'll probably be getting that as well. And of course the goodness that we all love, the Cliff Shot, little goos, little energy shots there. Make sure you have your maps. I got mine set up. I ordered these, the Colorado 14ers series in the little booklet. Little disappointed with how little information you get out of them. I mean, I think they'll do okay as long as I have my GPS with me. But I think they'll be fine. I'm confident enough in them. I'm probably gonna take a cooler with me. I was debating on not, but I think if I'm gonna get groceries while I'm out there and cook at the trailhead, I'll probably take this with me. I need to get some more fuel, but I got fuel. I have a stove. I'll probably take a white gas stove with me as well. I got some matches, and I got a lighter over there. So, but matches here. Got some camp stuff, including 2 different pots. I'll take this pot into the backcountry. I'll probably do trailhead cooking with this guy. This is an old coffee pot. I thought about using that on the trailhead or at the trailhead as opposed to just using the crappy instant ground coffee. Definitely need a watch. When I was doing 14ers last year, I didn't have a watch with me, and I missed this so much. I'm so glad I'm gonna have a watch this year. Of course, 2 headlamps. I always take 2 headlamps with me in case one fails. I usually use one when I hike in at night, and also just one around camp. Pocket knife, a little chamois to clean up. Water. This is a huge place that I really lacked in last year. Don't get me wrong, I had enough water, But something that really hindered me last year is most all of my water was coming from tablets, and I was squeezing all my water through this one little Sawyer squeeze, and that was just terrible. So this year, my little gadget is this Life Straw. It's a gravity-filled bag, and I think that's, what is it, 3 liters? It might be 3 liters. It's at least 2 liters, it doesn't matter. But I'm really looking forward to this. I can just fill it up, hang it from a tree branch, and just fill my water bottles with that, as opposed to sitting at a stream for 20 minutes and just, you know, squeezing away on that little bag. Super pumped about this. I used it last year a bunch, and it was a lifesaver out there. If you watched my video of Mount of the Holy Cross, you know this thing broke on me while I was out there, so I got a new one. A couple water bottles, a couple Nalgene's, and then of course this little guy. This is kind of my go pack, if you will. All this stuff fits in here and pretty much goes with me everywhere. Got a first aid kit, hand warmers, hand sanitizer, camp suds, sunscreen. I need to get some more sunscreen. I need to get some more rope too, although this is plenty just to take with me. Emergency blanket in case I get stuck on the side of a mountain in the middle of the night. A little bit of fire starter. Some defense against chapping. Oh my gosh, that is a lifesaver. The worst thing is to have to walk out the last 8 miles of the day when you're just chapped. Lighter, repair kit for sleeping pads and tent. Gotta have that. Little bug repellent and Vaseline. You can do so much with that. You know, put it on your face, put it on your lips. You can start a fire with it. It's just absolutely great to have. And then of course, not a full list of clothes here, but just the basics that we're gonna need up in the mountains anyways. I got a light, long sleeve, hooded shirt here. This will be good for early in the morning. This will be good around camp. I got a hat, warm hat. I have some waterproof rain jacket, gloves. I got this buff, love having a buff out there. A couple pairs of socks, jacket. This has gone with me everywhere. And then some men's, you know, tights. It's good to have. And then I'll just put a basic pair of shorts over that. I'll have a couple other things with me as well, some creature comforts, but that's kind of the bulk of it. There's a few things that I am missing that I need to go get. I need to get a compass, I need to get a whistle. I have my little Garmin GPS. I need to go grab that as well. My climbing helmet, a little bit more rope. Not rope to climb in specifically, but I need rope to hang a bear bag at night, fuel, and paper towels. So honestly, once I have that, I'll be able to take off to Colorado, and that should be sooner rather than later. I was planning on taking off tomorrow, which is the last day of July. I hurt my back though, so I've been nursing that all week. Hopefully, what's today? Today's Sunday, so hopefully by Tuesday or Wednesday I can leave, head on out to Colorado, get there, and start climbing some mountains. So, anywho, I'm gonna go make this happen. That's the gear list. Should be pretty straightforward. And I guess the next video I'm doing, it's gonna just be on the trail, climbing mountains. So, anywho, appreciate it guys. We'll see you on the trail.